So these are called these are regular Miraxes, as you can see. The brown ones actually have special names. I'm about to sneeze. Hold on. Achoo, 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 achoo. Jesus. I swear I'm not allergic. But these are called lace.
Oh fuck. It really scares me when I drive and I sneeze because
please quit calling them little 1 week breaks.
Oh my god. I don't like this game. Let's play. Hey, 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 hey. So that's how I sneeze.
Bless me.
Anong title nung You're Always? Anong title nung Allergy, You're Always on My Mind?
Excuse me. Excuse me. Chicken and rice and fries. Pero pag walang pagkain. Thank you. Excuse me. Excuse me. Oo, ng lashes. Thank you. Thank you. Alam ko,
first day high. Sige. Excuse me.
Thank you.
Gucci gang, 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 red beer, red on the gang. My bitch love doing cocaine. I fuck a bitch off of LA. I can't pop in the wetter rain. Let her go and pop on me. Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang, Gucci gang. My lean costs more than rent. It do. My mom still living.
I know that you love me. You don't need to remind.
Bless you, 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 bless you.
Thank you. Yeah. Sorry guys. I sneeze a lot of times. I have really bad allergies. 1 second, I gotta sneeze. Fashion designer? No. Oh my gosh. Yeah, stylist.
I'm not going to wear any foundation or anything like that, so I'm just going to go in straight with my eyeliner. I'm just going to do e.l.f. It's pretty windy outside. Don't do anything crazy. Well, I mean, if I wanted my eyebrows to be that dark, that would be great. Yeah.
I feel like I only sneeze in increments of like ooh, bless you, thank you.
Anyway, sorry about that.
I was meant to say.
Bless you, bless you, bless you.
Oh my goodness. Jeez Louise.
Miss Long.
I got this sneeze. It's like, I don't
How much we have?